Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, are the backbone of quality assurance in manufacturing, ensuring products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Let's dive into the 10 basic principles that make up GMP. Firstly, all procedures and instructions must be documented, providing clear guidance to employees. These standard operating procedures, or SOPs, are the established methods for routine operations to maintain product standards. Next, it's vital to adhere to these procedures, as shortcuts can lead to deviations and potential hazards. Hence, precision and consistency are key to be followed. Accurate documentation is a pillar of GMP, serving as a record for compliance and aiding in traceability. From equipment manuals to GMP manuals, every detail counts. Validation is essential. It's the documentary evidence that processes maintain compliance at all stages, ensuring consistent performance. Facilities and equipment must be designed with productivity, quality, and safety in mind, minimizing errors and contamination risks. Regular maintenance of facilities and equipment is non-negotiable, preventing breakdowns and contamination, and keeping everything in a validated state. Employees must be trained and competent, with a clear understanding of GMP's role in producing quality products safely and efficiently. Cleanliness is a daily commitment. It's about protecting products from contamination through rigorous hygiene practices. Quality is built into every step of the product's life cycle, from controlling components to ensuring proper packaging and labeling. Finally, regular compliance and performance audits are crucial to assess and ensure the effective implementation of GMP. Whether internal or external, audits are a vital check on GMP adherence.